there will be no further increase on taxation and levies without discussion. Tumekubaliana a few things ya saa hii na ndio nataka nitangaze. Ya kwanza, zile container zote ziko, tulipe the existing fee of 2.5 million. And we have asked KRA and everybody to expedite. Muende mfanye entry, you clear. Before kutoka Easter, mchukue mzigo, muende biashara. Number 2, there will be no further increase on taxation and levies without discussion. Okay? Then, ile maneno mingi mumerais, tumeweka mkutano 10th of April at my office in Harambee House Annex. And the traders will be represented by 11 people because you have 11 sectors. And these government people will be there. Ndio mkubaliana ile maneno yote munataka kusema. Hiyo tumekubaliana. Tumekubaliana pia, in that meeting, we are going to streamline mambo ya pre-shipment inspection. And you will be discussed in that meeting how it will be done. We have agreed that our PS for Trade, prior to our last meeting, Uyuko Bundo, has come up with very good proposals for the trade development bill. And the ideas that you have, Nyokabi and Wengine, mutapatiwa hiyo bill, museme vile munataka, iwekwe hapo ndani. We have agreed that COC will be enriched, ikue both KEBS and counterfeit jointly, so that ikimalizika hakuna maneno ingine. Tumekubaliana. So we'll look for a mechanism on how to merge that document between the two institutions so that we don't expose our people to too many unnecessary inspections. Inafanywa pamoja na KEBS na counterfeit, inatoka certificate mo. We have agreed also with counterfeit that in that meeting, you will agree on protocols on how to carry out physical inspection. Itakuwa inafanywa namna gani, so that officers of counterfeit agencies don't harass you. Wasikuje kwako kama watu 20 kama iko vita na hakuna. Mutakubaliana on the protocols na tutaandikania how inspections will be done. We have also agreed that goods that have already been seized by the counterfeit authority, upon verification that they are not counterfeit, they must be released to you within 2 weeks. So hiyo verification exercise itafanyika, and within 2 weeks, goods that are not counterfeit must be released to you. Pia tumekubaliana, the counterfeit will create a seminar to take you through what is counterfeit, what is not, how do you detect, so that you are also enriched, and how you'll be involved when the inspection is taking place. Mambo ya polisi kuharasi nyinyi. We already know where the problem is, and we have taken action hata kabla ya hii mkutano. Shida ilikuwa ni polisi kukaa sana kwa pahali moja. Wanakuwa wenyeji na wanakuwa wakora na watu ya extortion. The government has given instruction, any police officer who has stayed for 3 years must move. So hao wote wanasumbua nyinyi watasonga. And then we have agreed hata nyinyi mtatusaidia. We have also agreed hiyo watu ya counterfeit wale wamekuwa hapa Nairobi wanaharasu watu, huyo CEO awatoe Nairobi alete watu wapya. So that one we have agreed. Then tumekubaliana mambo ya demarriage that has taken a toll because of this standoff. KRA will take lead to negotiate with KPA and the shipping line to see what can be agreed on, to see what relief can be given. Mambo ya copyright organization tutawaita. We want to understand what they do, where they come in, watakuja kwa hiyo mkutano, tujue wanaingilia wapi. Ndio vile umesema kama unalete mashoka, there is no way there can be hiyo maneno ya copyright. So tutakubaliana, we'll agree on the protocols. They'll come and explain. Even our officers here don't understand. I also don't, and you also don't. Si ndio? So si wakuja kwa hiyo mkutano. So hiyo tutasort out so that we agree what will happen. So in a nutshell, those are the things we have agreed. Tumeweka mkutano 10th of April at my office in Harambee House Annex. And the traders will be represented by 11 people because you have 11 sectors. And these government people will be there. Ndio mkubaliana ile maneno yote munataka kusema. Hiyo tumekubaliana. Since we shall be having a monthly meeting, tumekubaliana kutakuwa na mkutano yetu na nyinyi kila mwezi. Wale maofisa wa KRA wanaharasi nyinyi. Wale wa KEBS, wale ya counterfeit na polisi kwa sababu na wajua. Mtakuwa na forum every month. Munalete tunachukua hatua.